no smoke without fire. The last time Asante Kotoko, a year, management meet supporters in Central Forum. Player friend Hubert Gyau, Edi APM. And the APM no, now I say Hubert Gyau, ebe free Kumasi Asante Kotoko, anasa Hortna. The question was posed to Nana Pinkra about the future of Hubert Gyau. And Nana Pinkra Chiremu said, that question of Nana Pinkra. And the administrator Richard Akutu and Richard Akutu Chiremu said issues which are got to do with contracts, you know. One party it's me undecided in two parties. Sometimes there are even third parties and it decided on a contract. And Ochem say Kotoko it's been decided now. The underlying point, the bottom line, the key, more terms, the bone of contention, the major factor, Zimaka Faifu, the debut, the important aspect, the crack of the matter. The debut, Monkaime, Maka 7. The imperative. Super. The here pan say, Kotoko no 4 years contract. I feel no all first season. Enti, Sadil bi kraba. Onko free. And no, and I no pay ya me sorry and information I mean I can say. Uko Denmark club be a friend no Midjtyland. Edino almost spelling Midtjylland. Midjtyland. Ewo Denmark. Oma small scout. So scout for no Embra Ghana. No moba Ghana. Omumbra Kumasi. Omuba Ghana. Omumbra Ashanti region. Omuba Ashanti region. Omumba Kumasi. Omuba Kumasi a. Omunko Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Omufri Baba Yara Sports Stadium a. Omunya ho kro omunsan ko Kotoko Adakoja achi training horo. No munko hwe player ye freno Hubert Gyau. Hubert Gyau. Hubert Gyau. No munko monitor no. Na omo monitor ni wie na ofite into almost style of almost standard and style of play omo pe e dey fix it in ewo mid city and as a Midjtyland Hona is going to be a straight deal between Asante Kotoko and Midjtyland ewo Denmark na I say no yembetena ha enkasa keke. We speak with data, facts, history, and statistics. Midjtyland make omwasemi. Our Danish Premier League from the Super League. Omo compete. The last game omo boy na no 3-3. We've seen them in the Champions League and what have you. The club was formed in 1999. That is a Kotoko yemu makrano no Kotoko nana. Obetima Kotoko nana is a Kotoko edibe 80 something. A Kotoko 90 because 1935 the Kotoko enyini. Everyone is 90 or 89. 1935 and year was a 91 years. So 80 and 100 there be me mass nya be check yaba. Na Midland for no weekend ya no omu remo Ghana omu ba Ashanti region Kumasi no ma be monitor Hubert Gyau. Apart from Hubert Gyau no they will have other interests on other players but the motive their major factor of coming to Ghana no Hubert Gyau after watching the videos especially Kotoko CAF Confederation Cup here de Nigeria for no Hubert Gyau go or Sheno Abiyakuta no. And all got them convinced, and they would want to see him play physical Dochi. They said an American. The club was founded in 1999. Yeah, there's already be 27. So June 1997, 1999, and he formed a club. No. Currently, our manager and a friend of Mike Tobek. Omo Bobo Stadium, my friend, MCH Arena. Now, omo current location, Oko, Denmark, baby, omo more the middle of Jutland. Into omo city, no omo club, no omo name, no Midjtyland, omo Midjtyland. Our cry friend Henen. Na club no more forming no. The merger between A-Class FC and the Henan Fernand Chrono. Ahim Chrono. And omo partner and omo the form a team my friend Midjtyland. So the menu okay. And omo Premier League no omo bono. Omo ye nanseya omo ba no. Nanseya omo ba ye friend say Midjtyland for league mo omo form 1999 no. Omo je omo league no 4 times. Enya ba and recent one omo je na anu ya 2024 de no 2023-2024 de no. Omo na je Denmark for na say Super League or also then Danish League no. So the match no. Enti here are omo records kakra me dey now back to vie no. We no a straight deal. We nye free agent asem. Sa omo ba na omo behwe na omo ye convince media metete ne say Kotoko benye skadia Kotoko benye skadia so far say he's not going on a free agent deal. Sa omo ba na omo ye convince with Hubert Gyau by physically watching him. So now omo ye convince they will speak to Kumasi Asante Kotoko directly without any third party agency involved. Agents sembianim because I almost scout and about town. Until they so omo ye convince currently Hubert Gyau signed 4 years for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And the contract in a very year 2029-2030 and a Hubert Gyau contract eba area. It's information kakra ekramia and nawie me say me fan come here for ba me be hwima ma me aha say no a Super 24 TV unsubscribe ya no subscribe ye je no number na 0247107260 opese me do to your WhatsApp platform no so amana begusu bebre ena onpese onwo abushi me join na me found to so but ye hia boafo sponsorship no and also the same number WhatsApp me e be di ho nkomo